Let's get started straight away. Here we have 2 common in the denominator of the exponent, and here 3 is common. Numerator is also having multiplier 2. So I will write here 2 power x plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 4 power x plus 3 over 2 times x minus 3 plus 8 power 2 is common from numerator, so x minus 2 over 3 is common from denominator, so x minus 3 equal to 32. Now we will apply one exponent law which says a power b times c equal to a power b whole power c. So equation will become 2 power x plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 4 power half whole power x plus 3 over x minus 3 plus 8 power 1 over 3 whole power will become 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 3 equal to 32. Now 4 power half is 2, 8 power 1 over 3 is 2. So we can write 2 power x plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 2 power x plus 3 over x minus 3 plus 2 power 2. We can write 2 power 2 with whole power x minus 2 over x minus 3 equal to 32. Now we can write this 2 power 2 equal to 4. So our equation will become 2 power x plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 power x plus 3 over x minus 3 plus 2 power 2 is 4, whole power will become x minus 2 over x minus 3 equal to 32. Now we have x minus 3 in the exponent's denominator. Now we'll write numerator in terms of x minus 3. So we can write 2 power x minus 3 plus 4. This is x plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 power x minus 3 plus 6. This is x plus 3 over x minus 3 plus 4 power x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 equal to 32. Now we have x minus 3 everywhere. So we will assume x minus 3 suppose equal to a. So we can write equation in variable a 2 power a plus 4 over a plus 2 power a plus 6 over a plus 4 power a plus 1 over a will be equal to 32. Now we will divide a plus 4 over a. So we will get 2 power 1. So I am writing 2 times 2 power 4 over a plus 2 power 1. So 2 times 2 power 6 over a plus 4 power a plus 1 over a. We will write 4, which is 4 power 1 times 4 power 1 over a will be equal to 32. Now our equation is divisible by 2. So let's divide both sides by 2. We will divide RHS also by 2. So we can cancel 2 from here, and here we have to write 2. Now our equation will become 2 power 4 over a plus 2 power 6 over a plus 2 times 4 power 1 over a equal to 16. Let us write here 2 power 4 over a plus 2 power 6 over a plus 2 times 4 power 1 over a equal to 16. Now this 4 can be written as 2 square, and using power rule we can write this will become 2 power 2 over a. So I will write 2 power 4 over a. This will be 2 power 2 over a whole square plus 2 power 6 over a will become 2 power 2 over a whole cube plus 2 times 2 power 2 over a equal to 16. Now our substitution is obvious. Let us assume 2 power 2 over a equal to b. So our exponential equation will convert into cubic equation. Here we can write b square. Here we will be writing b cube plus 2 times b equal to 16. After writing all the terms to one side, we will get cubic equation b cube plus b square plus 2b minus 16 equal to 0. Equation is cubic. We will be solving using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So I am finding eligible factors of constant 16. So I can write here plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8 and plus minus 16. Leading coefficient is 1, so we will write plus minus 1. Now we will take ratio of constant to leading coefficient and we will find the values which will satisfy our equation. Let's begin with b equal to plus 1. Will it satisfy? 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 16. No, it won't. Let's check b equal to negative 1. Will it satisfy? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 16. Again it is not. If I will check b equal to 2. 2 cube is 8. 2 square is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 16. Yes, this time plus 16 will cancel, minus 16. So b equal to 2 is our base solution to this cubic equation. Now we will use synthetic division method. So I need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation 1, 1, 2 and negative 16. Now we will put one line over here. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with leading coefficient 1, these two numbers. So 2 times 1 will write product over here. We have to add these two numbers. Addition will become 3. 2 times 3 is 6. We'll write over here. By adding these two, we will write here 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Once we will add these two numbers, we are going to get remainder 0. And here we have coefficients for quadratic equation in b. Equation would be b square plus 3b plus 8 equal to 0. We are looking for real solutions. So let me check discriminant only. I will write equation b square plus 3b plus 8 equal to 0. Let's check discriminant first. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b is 3, a is 1, c is 8. So we will get 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 8, which will be equal to 9 minus 32. And this is one negative value, minus 23. Since we have discriminant negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation. So accepted B would be our base solution, B equal to 2. B was our substitution, 2 power 2 over A equal to 2. We have same base, so our exponent must be equal to each other. So 2 over A will become 1. By multiplying A both sides, we will get A equal to 2. So we have A equal to 2. A was substitution, x minus 3. So we can write x minus 3 in place of A equal to 2. By adding 3 both sides, we will get our only real solution, x equal to 5. Now we are going to check, verify our solution through equation. Here we have left hand side. So I will begin with LHS. It is 2 power x plus 1 over x minus 3. X is 5. So 5 plus 1, 6 over 5 minus 3, 2 plus 4 power x plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 over 2x minus 6, 10 minus 6, 4 plus 8 power 2x minus 4, so 6 over 3x minus 9, 15 minus 9 is 6. So we'll write 2 power 3 plus 4 power 2 plus 8 power 1, which is 8. 2 power 3 is 8. 4 power 2 is 16 plus 8. By adding these three, we'll be getting 32. And 32 is our right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 5 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.